Hi there. Today we're going to take a look at a new feature that's been released for Nintex Workflow Cloud called workflow tagging. Let's have a quick look at the release notes first, community.nintex.com Platform Center release notes, and we'll just get a definition of what the new feature is. Nintex Workflow Cloud, this is release number 97. Workflow tagging, the ability to add custom tags to a workflow to improve findability through the new dashboard filtering control. As a byway, workflow testing has also been released today as well. You can see a video on that on my YouTube channel if you jump on. So what does it do? Well, it's going to be really useful for me in particular. I've got a demo, dev, test tenant that's getting a little bit out of hand, so I'm going to use the filtering just to narrow down the relevance. But in a production environment, you could obviously add tags for things like business units. You could add tags for software development lifecycle methodology, so development, staging, production. You could add tags for favoriting, you could add tags for reviewing, you could add tags to delete later for particular events, all these sort of things. So pretty granular use of tags. I'll let you decide what your best use case is. Settings and tags. I'm going to need some tags first of all. Before I can begin, I'm going to need some tags. Now this isn't the only place you can add the tags, as I'll show you later on. If I toggle the allow workflow designers to create tags off, this will be the only place you can add the tags. Otherwise, we will allow you to add them on the fly when you're going through the edit tags motion. And I will do that at one point. So let's add some new tags. And we'll call our first one by a business unit. So we'll go with sales, and we'll pick a color from the upcoming Nintex Spring color chart. Beautiful pastels there. Let's go with the next one, human resources. Give that a different color and add. Let's go with support. Finance. And then I might add some non-business unit ones. So we'll go with a test tag. And we'll go with a delete me tag, something random, weird and wonderful, and we'll add that. Okay, so now I need to tag up some workflows. So I've got some workflows built. I've got a support request workflow here. So let's edit the tags. I've got my list of tags, so I'm going to add support, and let's say that this one is also a test workflow that I'm not publishing yet. But I might also add a third tag to this that's more ad hoc. So this might be a favorite. And I can add that tag to the list of tags on the fly. Update. Proposal generation, that's a sales workflow. And maybe it's also a test workflow. Finally, offboarding is a human resources workflow, and let's say it's a staging. It's sort of nearly ready to go. Update. I've got a test down here that's been created by somebody else. I don't know the purpose of the workflow, but by the sounds of it, it's definitely test. Okay, so we'll do some filtering. I can add an individual tag. That's not showing me any workflows because I haven't tagged any with delete me. I can do multiple tags. Now that's going to pick up one or the other. So you'll see my proposal generation does not have favorite, but it does have sales. So it's actually getting me a combination of the filters that I have. So that's workflow tagging, pretty straightforward stuff. Let us know how you're using it. If you've got any improvement suggestions, just jump on the Nintex user voice page and let us know through there. Thanks very much.